In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmatch a transaction on QuickBooks Online. This is really useful if a bank transaction was matched to the wrong expense, invoice, or payment, or if you just need to review it again before it hits your books for good. Let's start right inside QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, look for the main left-hand menu. Find and click on Transactions, and then choose Bank Transactions from the options that appear. This is where all of your connected bank and credit card feeds live, and it's the hub for reviewing, matching, and fixing downloaded activity. Next, at the top of the Bank Transactions page, you'll see tiles for each of your connected accounts, such as different bank accounts or credit cards. Click on the tile for the specific bank or credit card account where the transaction you want to fix was originally downloaded. This tells QuickBooks and you which accounts feed you're working in so you don't accidentally edit the wrong one. Once that account is selected, look for the tabs just below. You'll see options like For Review, Categorized, and sometimes Excluded. Click on the Categorized tab. This tab shows transactions that have already been added to your books, either because you accepted QuickBooks' suggested match or categorized them yourself in the past. Now, scroll through the list or use the search and filter options to locate the exact transaction you want to unmatch. You can filter by date, amount, payee, or description to narrow things down. Take a moment to confirm you have the right one by checking the amount, date, and any notes or categories attached to it. When you've found the correct transaction, move your attention to the action column on the right side of that row. Here, you'll see an option labeled Undo. Click Undo. Another way to do this is to click the blue link in the Added or Matched column. That link lets you see what QuickBooks matched the bank transaction to, and from there, you can also click Undo. This is especially helpful if you want to double-check the details of the match before reversing it. After you click Undo, QuickBooks will remove that transaction from the Categorize tab and place it back into the For Review tab. From there, you can match it to a different transaction, recategorize it correctly, or even exclude it if it shouldn't be added to your books at all. This gives you a clean way to correct mistakes and keep your bank feed aligned with your actual accounting records.